Hey guys, I'm Buck Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself, and I got the hood popped open here on the 2008 Honda Odyssey. It's got 223,000 miles. And recently, check engine light came on, and I put the scan tool on it to just pull the codes, and I saw it had P0171 and P0174, which is lean on both banks. I thought that was pretty odd. And I hadn't encountered that before, at least with this vehicle, and I wondered what was going on. Then while I was doing some maintenance, changing the oil and poking around here under the hood, I came across something that may have caused our lean codes. So look at here at this air intake system. Here's the snorkel. Ooh, look at that big crack. You see that? That's a bit of a intake leak. Oh, and there's another one up there. You see that? So what that means is this baby's pulling some air into the intake. That's for one thing, it's not being filtered. It's not passing through the air filter, and so who knows what dust and dirt it's sucking in there with it. But also, it's air that's not coming past the mass airflow sensor. So the reading that the computer is getting from the mass airflow sensor is not going to be quite right, and it's not going to be able to make the necessary adjustments as it should for proper fuel-air ratio. And I guess maybe the O2 sensor said, I'm tired of this, it's lean, I'm setting a code, it's going to bug you on that dash until you do something about it. So I'm going to do something about it by changing this cracked snorkel. Now this car is several years old, 223,000 miles, you know, stuff like this happens. So fortunately I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. I ordered the part right there. There's a part number if you're interested. Now you might want to look it up for your particular model. I think this intake tube that I bought is for the 2008 to 2010. They may be slightly different for some of the other years. So, you know, double check that before you just go out and order it. But yeah, I don't think it should be a big deal. Let's change this thing out and hope that makes our computer and our engine a little happier. Let's pull this cover out of the way. We'll set him aside. Now it looks like we've got these two clamps are 10 millimeter. And so we should be able to loosen them all right. Here's a connector, which would probably do well. He has to unclip from there anyway. Might do well to move him out of the way. There we go. Pushing down on the top here. That's where the tab is that hooks it in. So he's loose. Might be necessary to maybe not necessary, but advisable to loosen the 4 bolts on this air cleaner cover just to kind of give us a little more working space, which I think is 8 millimeters if I'm not mistaken on those screws. If I remember correctly, one of my one of mine had broken off. That's better. Yeah, that one in the front corner had broken off on mine. So it's just working. This guy's, he's about ripped right in half. Alright. Great opportunity to check the air cleaner, air filter. I did that not long ago. Alright, so there's this here and a pipe here with a clamp. Alright, that's it. That's all there is to it. Now we got to reuse these clamps. All right, well, that's pretty good. Here's the new guy. Hopefully it's the right thing. It doesn't come with assembly instructions. I think we're okay though. I think we know what we're doing. Just looks right. That's good, doesn't make a difference. So, let's put the bands back on. We'll tighten it down a little bit. That guy back in first. Slip this guy on like that. Oh, I like that. And we can snug him down a bit. Okay. Wire goes in there. This guy plugs back in. Okay, that's pretty good. Tighten down our air filter and we'll be good to go. All right, and that guy's broken off in there, so he's missing. I think that's going to be good enough. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it for replacing that snorkel. Air tube, intake tube, I don't know what you call it. But, yeah. Pop this cover back on. She's back in business. Well, hopefully that will make everybody happier. Hopefully that's all it was with my lean codes. Might be worth the trouble to just go and erase the codes and see if they come back. But that's it. Thanks for watching today. Just a short, simple video. And sometimes the fixes are easy ones, right? Your comments and questions are always appreciated. I'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye.